Okay, so now let's come to how do we eliminate guilt that we have. Okay, the guilt that I've been holding for so long about a particular event or about things in the past. So, first, it is very important for me to explore the feelings of guilt, to understand what am I feeling guilty of? What is the reason of that guilt? How is this guilt holding me back? This is also very important for people to move ahead in life, that how am I getting affected because I have this guilt? How does this guilt affect those around me, right? So how it is actually affecting people who are there with me, and how my relationships, so interpersonal relationships also. Okay, so how are that being affected, and how reasonable is it for me to feel guilty about this at this point of time when things have happened, or what can I do about this? What are the rational things that I can do in order to take charge of this guilt? So first of all, exploring everything about our guilt that we are holding in ourselves, then accepting the things that cannot be changed. The past cannot be changed, right? No matter how much I indulge in the feelings of guilt, it will not help me to travel in time into the past and do something differently. I have to take the responsibility for the mistakes that I've made. I have to do that. And how do we take that responsibility? How do I accept my emotions? So take a piece of paper and write it down, that this is how I'm feeling. I am feeling guilty, and I accept that this is the situation that was extremely difficult for me. It is holding me back. It is kind of affecting my relationship with my partner or my current relationships, and this is what I need to act on. The more we accept our emotional states and the situation that we are in, helps us to be able to get over the emotion that we have been holding off. Then imagining new possibilities for us, like how can I see myself apart from the guilt that I've been holding, right? How my life would have been different if I wouldn't have this guilt. So this will help you to come out of uh, all the things that we've been holding us, and imagine the new possibilities or the things that are now available to us to probably give us a new beginning. Then start taking control to make things better. You know why we regret so many things in life, or why we kind of blame ourselves, is because we feel that we are always in control of all the things that are happening with us. But we have to understand, we have to identify what specifically is in my control. So make this zone of control for yourself. Make a circle and write down things I can control. What is that? Your attitude, your words, your emotions, your actions, what you think about it, your own mistakes. These are the things that are in your control. And what is outside this circle is how others react. What are their feeling states? What are their words? What are their actions towards you? This is something that would always be out of your control, no matter how hard you try, no matter how hard you put in your efforts for the other person. Their actions would be driven by a certain set of things which you would never be able to control. So we do not have to blame ourselves, or we do not have to stress up for something that is out of my region of control. Then learn from your experiences. What is that I have learned from current experience of guilt? I was guilty about eating that entire pizza last night. What can I do about it right now? What have I learned? What I would want to do right from today itself? So put those things into action. How must I do things differently the next time I'm encountered with this situation? Right? Let's say that I received a phone call from my friend last time that he wanted to be there with me, but I was in a very important meeting, and I said that I'm so sorry, I would not be available for you, and I just disconnected the call. And now I feel guilty that friend was depending on me, but because I was too occupied in my own work, I was not available for him. So, and this is really making me feel guilty about it. So what do is I make a plan with him that next time, whenever you would want me to be there with you, just drop in a text. Even if I would be busy, I would read that text, and the moment I'm free, I would want to come and help you out with it. Okay, so we come out with the negotiations that we can do in order to learn from those experiences where we had felt that emotion. And then releasing our feelings of guilt and regret, which is very important. If there are certain things that you have been holding in your heart, you have taken the responsibility, you have accepted them. Now it is important for you to let go them, right? It could be that you write in the form of a postcard, or you write it in the form of a letter and just put it somewhere. You don't have to read it, you don't have to give it to the other person. Just pen down your feelings for it. It would really help you. It would be a cathartic thing for you to just release your pent up emotions of that particular situation.